So you want to run an advert to your WhatsApp, and you want to do this using your Instagram account. And there are basically two ways you can do this, and the first and most important or most accurate way to do this is to do it from your Facebook Business Manager. But maybe for some reasons you just want to do it through the Instagram mobile app. I'll be showing you how you can do that in this video. So my name is Goodnoel, but I'm sure you do know that. So first, you want to come to your Instagram app, and this is the Instagram app I want to use, your personal Instagram app. And you must have changed your Instagram settings from either a personal account. You have to change it to either a business account or a creator account. So when you have all that done, all you have to do is select the post that you want to advertise. So in this case, I'm going to just pick this one and say I want to advertise this. So I come here where it says boosts. Let me draw. I come here where it says boost posts. All right, and then I click on boost posts, and automatically you can see that I have three options. And the first option allows people to just come to your profile. This one just allows people to come to your profile. So you see adverts where people see view profile. All right, this is the option they use. Or you want to send people to your own website, a website outside Instagram, so you can use this one. All right, but if you want them to come to your WhatsApp, you need to use this conversations. This simply means messages. So you want them to come to your WhatsApp, that simply means messages. So you select that. If you select this, you notice that you already have the WhatsApp option here, but this is because I already added a WhatsApp button to this Instagram account. So you need to add a WhatsApp button so you can just do it easily. If you don't know how to add a WhatsApp button, I'll pin another video to this one. I'll put it in the description or at the top of this video so that you see how to do it. So you need to have your WhatsApp linked to your Instagram account. It's very simple. I made a video already. Again, I'm going to link it in the description of this one. So you just check that one and it automatically brings WhatsApp. So you click on next, you go to next. This is where you have to select your audience, the audience you want to target. So by default, Instagram sets it to this automatic. This simply means that they are going to target people who are similar to your followers. And if you are a small account, if you are just starting, this will not be good for you because your small followers, they are too narrow and it's not going to be very, very effective. So the best practice is to create your own audience. All these ones you see here, all these ones, I created these ones in some of the videos I've done before now. So that's why they are there. But you want to create your own. So you come here where it says create your own. All right, so you click on create your own, and then the first thing you need to do is to name the audience so that it will be easy for you to understand. So I'm just going to call this one testing audience. This is for the purpose of this video. So you select the location where you want to target. So if you think your customers or your audience or the people you want to reach, if you think they are in the whole country, you can select the whole country. If you think they are in some states, you can select the states. You can select towns. As you can see right here, we have Sapele. Sapele should be somewhere in Delta State. We have Etinan. We have Uju. So you just select where you want. You can select Lagos, you can select Abuja, depending on your plans or whatever you want to do. You can even select outside the country, but I'm just going to keep it to Nigeria so we can continue. So I select Nigeria, I select Nigeria as a country and we proceed. So you can see we have close to 30 million people. So you come here where it says age and gender. We want to select the gender so we can narrow it a bit. So we want to keep our age from 25. Of course, this is not a fixed method, so you know where your audience, the age range where they fall, and then that's what you should select. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep it between 25 to 45 or 25 to 50, but yours can differ depending on what you sell. All right, so right here you can select if you want to reach male and men and women, or just men, or only women, or both of them. So I'm just going to, you can just check to decide, but I'm just going to allow both of them be there. So we go to the next phase and we simply have an audience created. So we have an audience of 13 million to 15.5 million persons. So you go to next, and then as you can see, our audience has been selected automatically because we wanted to create our own. So you now click next so that we can go to the next phase. So you click on that, and this is where you put your duration, your budget, how much you want to pay daily for your advert. So, and then you can equally set the duration, how long you want this advert to run. All right, and right here we have the budget. You can select any amount you want, actually from $1 and above. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep this to 3 days because I'm not going to publish this advert anyways, and then I'm going to increase this. So as you increase, you notice the changes up here. You notice how much you are going to be spending and your estimated reach, because this is a pay-per-click system. So it's the more money you spend, the more persons you are going to reach. So I'm just going to leave it this way, and then we head to the next phase. So before we do the other things, you can preview how your advert is going to show. So right here you can see that we have an ad goal that says conversion on WhatsApp. This means these people will see the message to send us a message on WhatsApp. So now let's preview our advert, and you see where your adverts are going to show. So your advert is going to show on the Instagram feed and then the Instagram Explorer. This is because the creative we have used, it will not show on the stories because the creatives, they do not match. All right, so if you open feed, this is how it's going to be. So you can see send message right here. This is the send message, and when they see it, they can now, the moment they click it, is going to pop that they should send you a message to send you a message on WhatsApp. All right, so if you click on explore on stories, you see that it tells you that something went wrong. This is because your ad, the format you are using, it doesn't fit to the Instagram placement, the Instagram stories placement type. So if you want a story ad, you need to use a landscape, a portrait. You have to use a portrait creative. All right, so if you come to explore, you can see that this advert will show because the explore and the Instagram feed, they use the same kind of measurements. All right, so now that's how your advert is going to show. So we now have to come down here. You can see this is like a confirmation method, a confirmation phase, that this is what we have done. So this is going to be our estimated budget, and this is going to be the estimated tax, and this is going to be the total spend we are going to be spending after the ads complete running. This is 7,059 naira 52 kobo. But as you can see, we have a red pop-up here. This is because we do not have a payment method yet, and you need to add the payment method before you can create your advert. So you come here where it says, you tap there where it says add the payment method, and you want to add the payment method. So you see select your country by default, and then the currency, and then the time zone. All right, and then the time zone. So all you have to do is just click next, and then it brings you here, and again you just say next again. All right, so now you need to add your card details. You need a credit card or a debit card, so you put your card details, and the moment you save it, the ads will be ready to go. I'm not going to add my card details here because I don't want you to see my card details, and I don't even want to run this advert anyways. So but after you put all of this, your ads will be saved, your card details will be saved, and then the ad will go to review. After the review, you are going to be notified if this ad was accepted or if it wasn't accepted. So if it was approved, then your advert will go live. If it was rejected, you have to see the reason why it was rejected. Then you correct the errors you've made or what they want you to do, and then you publish it again. They are going to review it again, and then they are going to approve you. And the moment they approve you, people can now start seeing your advert, and they'll be seeing the call to action to send you a message directly on WhatsApp. So this is how you create an Instagram advert to your WhatsApp account. I hope this video helps you. I hope you find it useful. If you do, you should like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do me this kind favor of subscribing to this channel and watch out for my next videos. My name is Good Noel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.